and press your heel down on my hand. Blow it out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release.
Yes, good.
Deep breath in and press. 1, 2. All right, we're here today with Jerry, and Jerry's about to start his treatment with Dr. Davis. So, Jerry, tell me a little bit about those knees. How long have they been bothering you?
They've been bothering me since I was 10 years old.
Wow.
I've had problems for over 50 years with my knees.
Wow. And what have you done to try to resolve the problem?
I've been to all kinds of orthopedic surgeons. I've had the cortisone shots to gel shots. Nothing's helped.
And the shots didn't help?
Did not help at all. They
Wow.
temporary relief for short periods of time.
And did the orthopedics want to do a replacement or anything like that?
They eventually said yes, because they were bone on bone, they would replace both the knees.
Okay. And you're still young.
Not yet.
Yeah, you're not ready for that.
I'm 64.
You're still young.
Not ready.
All right. So we had discussed earlier about your discomfort level. And right now, today, they're not bothering you too much.
Right. Today's a good day.
Today's a good day. What would be a bad day?
A bad day is, it gets up around 8 or 9 where I get up out of bed and I can't move. I have to stand there and wait for the legs to stabilize and the pain to go away, and then I walk like Frankenstein, very stiff-legged. It's very horrible.
And one of your issues is your knees don't want to bend.
No, they don't.
So when you say Frankenstein, you're walking stiff-legged.
Exactly.
I see. Okay. All right. So what is this holding you back? What is your goal that you want to do once your knees are...
Well, I'd like to be able to walk normally. Right now, even just walking around a supermarket, I have to stop and wait and sit down and relax and give them time to loosen up a little bit, and they don't.
Okay.
So we just force myself to do it, and I'd like to dance with my wife, and we don't go dancing very often because I can't move.
Right. Oh, awesome. We'll get you up dancing.
Yeah.
All right.
Wait.
So I'm going to have you do a couple different exercises with me, and what this is going to do, this is going to tell us where we're going to start with your treatment,
Right.
okay? So when I have you do these exercises, I want you to tell me where you're feeling the most pain,
Right.
okay? I'm going to have you stand up for me. Okay. So where did you feel that?
You're right in the knees, the whole knee itself.
The whole knee itself.
Yes.
It wasn't the front or back or anything. It was
the entire knee.
the entire knee, because from my understanding, it's not unlocking, so it's causing a lot of that pain.
Right.
Okay. All right. I'm going to have you put your feet shoulder length apart, arms straight out in front of you, and I'm going to have you squat down. Go down as far as you can go.
That's it.
Slowly come back up. Now, where were you feeling that?
Right on both sides.
On
of
both
the knee.
sides right there. Okay. All right. So our next step is we're going to go up and down the stairs. So I'm going to have you grab a hold of that railing there and go up and down the stairs.
I literally have to push back with my arm to allow me to go up and down the stairs.
So you have
Just
to have
can't-
that support.
Can't go normally. I have to brace myself.
Okay. All right. Let's go up the stairs and see how that is.
That's usually a little bit better.
So definitely going down the stairs is more difficult
Oh, yeah,
for you?
All your body weight is put on your knees as you're going down the stairs. It makes it much more
Sure. Did you notice where it was hurting, or was it the whole knee again?
difficult. It's the sides.
The sides right in there?
Right on both sides.
Okay. All right. So out of those 4 different exercises we did, which one caused you the most discomfort?
The squat.
The squat? Okay. All right. Well, let's get you taken care of. And are you ready to get started?
I've been ready and waiting.
All right. To the end and come back.
Okay.
And walk like you'd normally walk.
All right.
Well, there's no Frankenstein anymore.
No, that can work.
His knees are bending, that's for sure.
I actually feel normal. Haven't felt that in mucho years.
You feel normal, huh?
Yeah.
What else has changed? What feels different?
There's no tension. There's no pressure in the legs.
And there's
It's-
nothing
it's-
holding you back.
No, it's free and moving like it should, like it used to.
All right, let's go try. All right, we're back with Jerry. Jerry's finished his treatment with Dr. Davis, so let's show him what you got, Jerry. Stand up for me.
Okay.
How is that? No hands.
I haven't done that in a while.
2 steps forward for me. All right, feet shoulder length apart, arms out in front. How low can you go? Whoa, that's low. Slowly come back up. That's awesome.
Better than before.
All right, let's do the stairs. Look at that. Tandem.
Yeah.
Back up. Let's see what you got.
Wow.
And I know down the stairs was the most difficult for you.
Yeah.
So what's changed whenever you went down the stairs this time?
The knees are actually moving and bending, and I don't have to support and push off to get the foot to go forward.
That's
It's
awesome.
amazing.
So what is your discomfort level now, Jerry? You were about a 3 because you're having a good day today.
Right now it's 0.
You don't have any pain at all.
No discomfort at all in the knees.
That's awesome. We haven't even done therapies yet.
Yes.
So therapies are going to help with the healing process and get you back on the road and dancing in no time.
I can't wait.
You happy with today's visit?
Absolutely.
All
ecstatic.
right. Thank you, Jerry, and welcome aboard.
Thank you.